Hey everybody, it's Julie Marie, and I am serving up 3 miso healthy rice bowls.
Miso healthy.
Yes, that's this week's recipe on a protective diet, and make sure you read that recipe description because I go over all of the most popular types of miso paste, and these are the 2 that are in my refrigerator right now. And I mentioned that I love red miso, which is made with brown rice and always soybeans. All miso is made with soybeans if it's Japanese and traditional. So these 2, this one I got at the Asian market, and this is an organic version. And then this one I got through protectivediet.com/bulk, Azure standard. And this one's really nice because it's a very airtight package, the way it dispenses. But I go through it, I'd say a couple of these lasts me like the year, or more sometimes, but they'll last a year in the fridge because they're fermented. And read that description because I talk about exactly how they're fermented. It's a double ferment, and it's very, very awesome that we can buy this. Evaluate the work that goes into making miso paste. It's worth the price to pay the experts to make it, but I am working on making it myself. So here's my miso rice, and I mixed it up really good. It's hot. Mix it thoroughly so that you don't get a big bite of miso. And I like to pack it into a rice bowl. You could use a ramekin. It's all about how it's served to get everyone interested in eating, and this also keeps it hot until you get ready to eat. So here I have Napa cabbage that I love to eat the way that we soak it in the salt water to start our kimchi, but this is just soaked in salt water today, and then I rinsed it, drained it through the salad spinner, and I plated it up in the bottom of the bowls. This is how I veg up my miso healthy rice bowl. And I place my rice right in the center. And because this rice is so seasoned and delicious, we don't really need anything else with it. I have some kohlrabi that I had salted in the fridge, and I just sliced it up. And I'm gonna make this beautiful by putting different sliced bell peppers and cucumbers, fresh and beautiful. You could also serve this. Last night we had it with steamed asparagus. You could do steamed broccoli and keep it really simple with one ingredient. But we have guests tonight, and I like every meal on a protective diet to be beautiful and delicious. So I don't mind bothering, and you can see preparing this didn't take much effort. And I'm gonna add some more cucumbers to mine. I think I might even cut up some more veg. And then I toasted up some sesame seeds because we have company, so that would be fun to add to the top as a little garnish. It also adds a little toasted nutty flavor. And then if you want to serve it with more seasoning, rice vinegar. Oh, I forgot to mention, I tossed the Napa cabbage in a little rice vinegar before I put it in the bowls, but you could serve it with rice vinegar, sprinkle it on your raw vegetables. I like this with raw veggies. When I'm serving this with steamed vegetable like broccoli or asparagus, I love it with asparagus, I serve it with the probiotic pepper sauce. And this one is green because I made it with serrano and jalapeno chilies. Or the PD sushi sauce. I have that still in my fridge from when we had the sushi party. This will last a long time because it has the rice vinegar in it to preserve it. So these are our miso healthy rice bowls tonight, and they're always changing. This is one of those go-to recipes because your miso will keep in your refrigerator door for a very long time. Handy, and then you can just serve it up with whatever vegetable you have. If you have mixed greens in your fridge, perfect, go for that. And put that on the bottom of the bowl. But you can see, I wanted you to see this before you go to make it. Your rice is going to be very sticky and creamy, almost like a risotto that has set up, is what it reminds me of. And serve it with the chopsticks because that makes it even more fun. Take care, and I hope you enjoy miso healthy rice bowls tonight. Take care.
Best of health.